right? You can pause and read that. So today, this is what we're going to look at. We're going to look at pairs and types of trades, okay? If you feel I'm going too fast anywhere, or you feel like you missed something, just stop me and ask a question, okay? All right, mate. So pairs. So in trading, we use charts, right, to show the change in the value of the assets, okay? So we have a base currency and we have a quote, okay? So the base is always stated first, and the quote is always stated second, okay? So on the chart, the vertical axis will show how many USD we need to get GBP. So basically it's something like this, right? So if it's GBP, this is the base, right? That's the base currency. This is the quote, okay? GBP USD. So what we're saying is, how much of this, right? How much USD must we give in order to get this? You understand? So it's even like you can just say the base, even like when you do your chart, although this is time, right? This is time going this way, right? And then this is price. Price going up or down, right? You understand? So whenever we talk about, like if we say GBP USD is at 128, you'll hear guys talking like that, saying, hey, it's at 128.10 or whatever, isn't it? They say GU is at 128.10. What does it mean? It means that the current price is $1.28. To get what? It will cost you $1.28 to get £1. You understand? Because it's the base. If you just say base, just remember like bottom line, base, right? It's always the first one quoted. And then the quote is the second one. So the quote is the one which does the moving up and down, yeah, which goes up or down, up or down, up or down. You understand? So 1 point, the dollar is, if the dollar goes weaker, it means it becomes more expensive, right? So if the dollar goes weaker, we'll see this on GU. We'll see the chart going what? Going up, okay? Because remember, this is price. So if price is going up, it means that pound is becoming more expensive, okay? So I said, let me open a chart. So let's just open a chart. Do I have my, let me just open the chart. So do you understand this? The base currency and the quote? Like for instance, if we say Euro USD, so Euro USD, which is the base currency and which is the quote currency? If I say Euro USD.
If you say Euro
USD.
USD.
Yeah.
Okay. So the Euro becomes the base.
Yeah.
And then the USD is a quote.
Exactly. So if Euro USD is at $1, is at 118, what does that mean? If I say, hey Sam, did you see Euro USD is at 118? What does that mean?
It means you're buying the USD at 118.
You're buying what at 118? Right?
You're buying the USD.
The USD. No, we're not buying the USD. We're buying the euro.
Okay.
Remember, we're buying the euro. Okay, let's just go.
Right, yeah.
We're buying the euro. Okay, let's just see. Okay, let's just look at these charts. Market watch. Can you see this? These are all the charts here. These are all the pairs, right?
Right. Yeah.
We've got euro versus New Zealand dollar, euro versus US dollar. Okay, so these are the different prices, but you can see currently it is at 178. So what does this mean? Euro is the base, NZD is the quote. So the one on the left is always the one we want to buy or sell. Like if I say to you, Sam, buy euro USD, I'm saying buy euros, sell New Zealand dollar. Let me just explain this to you. Okay, let's just open this chart. Let's see if it can open me. Okay, there we go. There's the chart. This is euro, New Zealand dollar, right?
Yeah.
So remember, I said to you, we have the base. Sorry, this should be a straight line. We have the base. We have the quote. This is price. Remember,
Right.
which is this line here. You can see this line here moving. This line here moving. This line. You see where it is now? 178, yes. Which is that 178, right? So that is price. Mm-hmm. So this is euro, New Zealand dollar, isn't it? So as you can see how the line is moving, yeah, the line is moving. This is price moving, right? So it's currently at 178, meaning it's here, 178. What does that mean? It means if we want to buy the euro, we have to give these guys 1 New Zealand dollar 78. So we'll have to pay 178 New Zealand dollars, right? In order for us to get what? 1 euro. You understand that?
Yes.
So remember what we said? We buy low and we sell what?
High.
We sell high. So you check, look here at this bottom. This was a nice place to buy. Can you see? It was low here. So if you had bought, here, buy, that means you'll be buying what? You'll be buying the euro. Remember, in any pair, you're either buying it or selling it. You understand? So in this case, we'll be buying the euro with the hope to what? To sell it back somewhere here. You understand? So you buy here at 174.93. It goes up. Then you say, now I want to sell it back to you, man. I think it's good. So your 174.93 up to 177.83. Now the nice thing about this thing, we just get to this, okay, this crosshair here. We can calculate how many pips is that. From there up to there, that is 313 pips. You understand?
Yeah.
So it's euro, New Zealand dollar. You're buying it. You want it to go up. If you wanted to sell now, let me just, if you wanted to sell, you say, yeah, it's too expensive, my man. You want me to, what price is this? 180. You want me to pay 1 New Zealand dollar 80 to get 1 euro? You must be crazy. I'm selling, it's too high. Then you sell, it goes down. Then when it gets somewhere, you say, let me take my profits. I'm gonna buy back. You understand? So in that case, price would have moved how much? Let me just get this. Price will move from there. You said, no ways, there's no way I'm paying 1 New Zealand dollar 80 for 1 euro. That's too expensive. So you sell it, you sell it, you sell it, you sell it. Then you say, till you get you say, now it's too cheap. I better what? Take my profits. So when you take your profits, you'll be buying back at a cheaper price. So that's one trade.
Okay, I just wanted to show you something quickly on the website. For you to watch the rest of this full video, as well as the full course of this level 1 Forex trading course, you need to come and sign up here. It's completely free. Okay, so first subscribe to the YouTube channel, right? And then come and sign up here. All we want is we just want to be able to contact you so we can keep you updated with whenever we release some new trading stuff. So you just put your name, you put your surname there, your email address, and your contact number. That's so that if you want to receive stuff via WhatsApp or Telegram, we can send you something. Now, this is not going to be any spam. Quite frankly, myself, I've had enough with scams and spam and all that. So we're only going to give you some legit, genuine content that will help you. And then you can just come here and click. If you want just the free, you just click I want to receive free stuff, and then you'll be able to download as well on the website. Here we've got all trading books which are useful. I don't just put junk on here. So I'll give you the entire market maker trading book. I'll give you the entire, I think we've got some good psychology books. We've got a whole lot of stuff. You just come over to the tools here. All right, so this, once you sign up, you'll be able to watch the rest of this video. Okay, and you have to send your email address, because that's how you'll be able to watch the hidden videos on YouTube. Okay, so you can come over here and then you'll be able to access, as you can see further down here, downloads. Okay, so you're gonna get this whole level 1 free. That's what I'm gonna give you. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this for free, but for now I just felt I just want to give it for free. Okay, and then you'll get these books on the left hand side. Okay, so I don't know how long I'm going to keep this for free, but for now, guys, I'm making this free for traders who really want to learn. So take advantage of it. All right, so and then you can watch the rest of the video. So happy trading, guys, and remember that the market is always right.
Learn, then earn money online. You control your money. You control the risk and the reward. Start from as little as $10. Stop losing to get-rich-quick scams and pyramid schemes. Learn a legitimate skill of online trading. Already a trader? Stop donating to brokers. Become independent. Stop relying on signals and careless account managers. Learn to trade the market maker way. Take our course and follow the rules of big banks and smart money. Get wisdom. Get understanding. Get wealth. Contact MarketWise Traders today.